Welcome to another YouTube tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to speed up your Windows PC for a faster performance. So step number 1, power options. With the power options, you come to the startup menu down here. You type in control panel. Type in control panel. As you can see, control panel here. Come to the power options. Click on the power options, and you can see within the customization of the power plan, we have the balance mode, and then we have higher performance. You make sure that you choose the power performance options for a faster PC performance. Normally the PC tells you to choose the balance mode, and the balance mode for a faster PC, you choose the high performance mode. You come back, you come to the program and features option. You click on it, and here you uninstall any programs that you don't use anymore on your PCs. When such programs lies on your PC, it tends to actually work on the memory and then slows down your PC. So any program you don't want here, you just click on it, you right click on it, and then you click on the uninstall. Step number 2, disabling startup programs. Best way to actually disable startup programs is to right click on any empty space here. You go and then you go to the task manager, or you come here and then type in task manager. This is a task manager here. You click on it, and then what we do here after clicking on the task manager is to go to the startup menu. This is a startup menu. When most of the time we install a lot of programs on our PCs, what happens is that it has a little program that slows down the PC when your Windows PC is about to start. So a lot of programs that you don't use much, you just disable it so that the PC could run a little bit faster. As long as a lot of programs that run on the background, such as this ones, that could stay on the PC and most of the time slows down the PC. So what we do is that for most programs that you don't use much, you just click on it and then right click on it and then disable it. Any program you don't use so much, and a lot of softwares that are lying on your PC, you install it but you don't use it again, you could just uninstall it, and then this will help speed up the performance of the PC. Step 3, defragmentation and optimization of drives. So with this, you come to the startup menu, you type in defragmentation. You can see it here. You click on it, and then this window opens up. You come to the C drive and then you click on optimize. You can see that the PC is being optimized for a faster performance, and everything comes okay, and there are no issues with that. Then I think that is it. 4, deleting temporary files that are not necessary. So what you do is to come to the startup menu, type in run. You can see run here. Type in %temp, click enter. Ctrl+A to highlight everything, or you can just highlight everything and delete everything from this folder. Okay, come to the startup menu again, type in run once more and type in temp and click enter. Delete any folder here, Ctrl+A again, or you highlight everything and delete them. Come to the startup menu again, type in run and then type in prefetch, prefetch, and type in. You see a pop-up box like this. You click continue and then you highlight everything. Either you use your mouse or Ctrl+A and delete everything. Okay, so that is true. That is it. 5, aside the startup programs that normally run when the PC is about to boot, there are other services on the background that actually affect the speed of the computer aside the programs. So what you're going to do here is to go to run again, type in services.msc, and press enter. And what you're going to do here is to disable services that actually are not needed. A lot of the services here boot up with Windows, which actually affects speed of the computer. So what you're going to do here is to actually look through, and any service you feel like you don't need them, just go to the properties. Let me come again. Any services that you don't need them to boot with Windows, just click on that service, right click on it, come to services, and then you could just change that program from automatic to manual. Apply and then okay. You just look through, but a point of note, make sure you don't delete normally programs that are actually not run by you or programs that you don't control. especially printer services. So make sure that when disabling programs, you don't disable programs that are actually not run by you. So you look through, and any program you feel like it's not uninstalling the program, but it's putting the program on manual mode just to enable the program to actually run as fast as possible. Step number 6 is to clean up the memory in your C drive. What we do is to type in our PC at the startup menu, you click, and then this is a C drive. You right click on it, come to properties, and then you can see an option here that says disk clean. You click on it and you can see your disk being cleaned here. And then after it has finished, you click on clean system files. Then you can see it scanning again. After the scan, it will now tell you to delete the files, and then we would be through. So it's still scanning again for the second time. And then after it has finished, what you do when you click on the OK button, it tells you, are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? You now delete those files. Alright, so we are through with that, and we move on to step number 7. Another thing that can also slow the speed of a computer is a malware or viruses. So there are a lot of free malware or antivirus softwares around. The one I used is the Avast antivirus. So when you install this, it's a free version. When you go to Chrome, you can just type in Avast free antivirus, and you could just install this, and then you can run. After installing it, you can just run a smart scan, and it will scan your whole PC. You can run a smart scan, and it can just scan your whole PC for you for any other threat, and then you are through. So that is it. Step number 8 is registry tweaks. Here we're going to make some few tweaks that could optimize PC performance. So you type in run, you type in regedit, okay, click yes, and then this is what appears. You come to HKey current user, and from the HKey current user, you come to the control panel. Then from the control panel, you hover and come to the mouse. From the control panel here, which is the main tab, you hover the sub tabs, you hover around, you come to the mouse here, and then you double click on the mouse. This is what you see. After double clicking, this is what you see. Then you now come to mouse hover time option. This is the mouse hover time option. You double click on it, and then my value is already set to 10. So you set the value to 10, and then you click OK. And then you come back again to the desktop tab. After clicking on the desktop tab, here changes, and then after clicking on the desktop tab, this is what appears. And then you hover around to mouse show delay. You hover through, you can see mouse show delay here. You can see mouse show delay here. If you can't see, this is what appears, mouse show delay here. So you double click, and then you change the value to 10. Mine was already set to 10 already, and then you click OK. Step number 9 is reducing the runtime services. What we do here is to go to the startup menu, click on run, type in msconfig, you click enter. That's what happens. You go to the services tab, and then you check hide all Microsoft services. You don't disable anything here. All what you need to do is to hide all Microsoft services here, and then you click number 10. Keep all your softwares up to date. This includes the Windows itself. You just go here, type in the Windows update services, and then here you could just check the updates of these software companies update Windows as often as possible. So you check here, and if there are any updates you need to update, you just update it, and that is it. So keep all your softwares up to date, including the Windows application as well. 11 is checking memory issues within your PC. Here what you do is to come to the startup menu, type in Windows memory diagnostics. Here is it. You click on it, and you see restart now and check for problems. The next time I start my computer. You probably not start your PC now, since if you do not wish to restart, but perhaps if you need to restart your machines now, you can restart your PC, but probably you might try checking for the problem the next time you restart. And with the display, this is what you see. You see it running and checking for errors within your PC. If everything shows fine, cool. If you see errors within the memory diagnostic tool, probably some of the memory are broken, or probably they ain't sitting well. So you need to fix that one out, or you need to probably buy new memory and fix it out. So that is it. Thank you. 12. Visual effect. This is to disable the Windows interface graphical performance in order to improve the PC performance. Don't worry, this will not affect your gaming performance in any way. Probably you could also reset it back if you so wish. So everything depends on you. So what we do is to come to the startup options here and type in control panel. This is the control panel. Type in the control panel and then come to the systems tab. Click on the systems tab. And then come to advanced system settings. Click on the advanced system settings. Let me move it here. And then from advanced system options, click on settings. And then this is what actually makes your PC beautiful, and as a result also consume much of your memory, your processors, your power options, and all that. So make sure that the adjust for best performance option is chosen. Tick on adjust for best options, apply, and then mine is already ticked already, and then okay and okay. So that is it. After you finish all this, you might probably want to actually restart your machine. I don't want to restart my machine at the moment. You might restart your machine to make all the optimizations that we've done on the PC to actually have an effect. Hello guys, so that is it. That is how you can speed up your Windows 10 PC for a faster performance. For this and other videos, like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'm out. Thanks for watching again and see you next time.